Introducing Autobacs fully synthetic engine oils for European cars, specifically formulated to meet European motor vehicle manufacturing standards, ACEA A3 B4 for both petrol and diesel engines. Autobacs fully synthetic engine oils for European cars delivers excellent engine protection from cold starts to high-load, high-temperature driving conditions, improved engine cleanliness, and high-performance engine protection over extended drain intervals in the latest direct injection petrol and diesel engines. Recognizable by its black cans, Autobacs fully synthetic engine oils for European cars is compatible with selected BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Renault, and Volkswagen, where a 5W40 ACEA A3 B40 is specified. Autobacs fully synthetic engine oils for European cars are made in Japan to deliver the best quality and performance for your car. Always follow your vehicle's recommended engine oil change intervals and ask for Autobacs engine oils for your next oil change.